Wo signify Chris Kebarni, Dong Mukak Long Sophia Long Kedo, Thong Nokbe College along, Karbiang Long Autonomous Council, Akerapen, Thong Nokbe College along, Political Science Lapen History Atum, Chipater Piponsi, Tribal Politics in Northeast India, Issues, Challenge and Emerging Trends aphuthak, National Seminar Lapen lothui kang Pwajamek, Paman Ponlo. Labangso National Seminar ke Paman Ponalong, Jesimet, Internal Quality Assurance Cell Mati, IQAC, Thong Nokbe College, Dong Mukak Lapen, Southeast Assam Regional Political Science Association, Atum Sitami, Cherap, Chitodunlo. Thong Nokbe College along, Tribal Politics in Northeast India, Issues, Challenge and Emerging Trends aphuthak, National Seminar Kang Puponajai Megalong, Siliguri Along Sophia Long Kedo, North Bengal University along, HOD Abarim, Professor Ranjita Chakraborty Arideng Pensi, Ing Puponlo.
We have organized a national seminar which is sponsored by Karbiang Autonomous Council, and topic has been selected as tribal politics in Northeast India, recent trends. And this is this topic is very interesting in view of today's situation in Northeast India. So keeping in mind these things, we have organized this seminar, and papers from different parts of India, from North Bengal, from Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh have come, and scholars also, academicians from different parts of the country, they will present their papers in these 2 days deliberations, and we hope that we will be able to get some new knowledge or new ideas for this seminar.
Labangso National Seminar Ingdeng Hini an Thakpon Paduponlo. Kiching siang deng along abangke inaugural ceremony lapen lothui kang Puponajai Meksi Paman Ponlo. Aduntu ang ding lage technical session aja Meksi Paman Ponlo. Labangso National Seminar along Aluhisar Paman Pen, Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar Arong Sophia Long Kedo, Rajiv Gandhi University along HOD Barim Lapen, College Development Council along Director Professor Naribat Chitongdun. Lason silabangso seminar along Thong Nokbe College along a Principal Dr. Dhanjoy Narzari, Lamajan Silama Bangpu, Dhaniram Tiso Lapen Ongdung, Kithegiding Bangpu Tun Chitongdun Riti. Mai ke Pajura Hu, Dr. Lutfur Rehman, Chaudhary Hin Pen, Kachuro Lamthe Pajir Ponsi, Ingsam Jin Pen Mai, Pechun Ponlo. Dong Mukak Pen Sem Singing Ti, Karbiang Long Lai.